Hi, Adine. Happy birthday. I just wanna greet you a happy birthday. Kaloka no, yung ginawa ko. Nakakatawa. Pero, I'll do anything for you, you know that. And I just wanna greet you a happy birthday. Now that you turned 19, just one thing. I wish you happiness and more luck and success in life. I just hope nothing will change. And sana, if ano yung meron tayo as friendship, will last forever. I miss you and I hope you'll appreciate this simple thing I have made for your birthday. Happy birthday and see you soon. Ingat lagi. I love you. Happy birthday. Bye-bye.